During a global pandemic, it is essential to focus all our resources into helping the infected and guiding those who are battling the calamity on the front line. Proning is one such technique that can help those who have minor, but significant drop in oxygen level. Proning can raise one's SpO2 levels by up to 10% using these simple postures, conducted over the course of a few hours. Augmented reality platforms, such as StellAR Creator, can be easily used to create detailed tutorials for procedures like proning, which are simple and life-saving, yet might cause some confusion regarding the standard protocols. Using the Creator, you can create vivid AR experiences within minutes and share them instantly with the world. Add your 3D models in the editor. Divide the presentation into descriptive slides with the help of annotations, slide descriptions, and voiceovers. These presentations can be easily viewed from your Android or Apple device. Simply scan a horizontal surface and place the model in your own environment to start your presentation. As you can see, all the models edited in the editor tool can be seen easily in this AR environment, and you can see all the steps regarding the proning procedure right in front of your eyes.
Change position and lie on your left side. Place a pillow underneath the head and rest your hand in a comfortable position.
This voiceover will play during the presentation to guide you with the poses, breathing patterns, and timing details for each step. You can follow these steps yourself, or share this procedure with someone who needs your help. The presentations are highly intuitive and interactive, so as to be used by anyone and everyone. Using cutting-edge technologies like AR for these tutorials can help save precious lives during these difficult times. For more details and inquiries about the platform, contact us at hello@thestellar.vision. Or you may visit us at www.thestellar.vision.